Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. I am Vishal Patel. Today we are going to learn about mathematics, chapter number 7, overview of congruent of triangle. In this chapter, we have to learn about some exercises of the congruence of triangles. Let's we summarize that we whole chapter we are going to learn via Zoom in the Vidyalaya application. Okay, so I hope you all have activate Vidyalaya app with the help of school. So if you are not join via Vidyalaya, please rapidly join the Vidyalaya classes and try to join the Zoom meet to learn this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter exercise 7.1 we want to learn about complete the sentences. In this question we have to learn about the characteristics of the triangles and its uses. In question number 2, give any two real time example of congruent shapes. So there are two example of the two footballs and two teachers table. They are equal in the size and shape, so it is congruent shape. See, okay. In question number 3, triangle ABC and FED under the correspondence ABC correspondence to FED, write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangles. So in this chapter we have to learn about the triangle ABC and DEF with the congruency characteristics of that, and here we know the conditions about that. In Zoom lecture we already learn about the characteristics of the congruence of triangle. So the first condition of that, the angles, corresponding angles are same, corresponding sides having same measurement, and corresponding vertices are also same. So these three conditions must be satisfied during congruence of the triangle. Then after question number 4, in this you have to prove that triangle DEF and BCA are congruent. Then the further conditions are same or not. So in exercise 7.2, given AC is equal to DF, AB is equal to D and BC is equal to EF, then we have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are same. So the solution is that the AC and DF are same, AB and DE are same, BC and EF are same. So the condition of the same sides having same measurement, we can satisfy the conditions of congruence triangle ABC and DEF. Okay, so this type of examples we have to solve in the 7.2 exercise, which we deeply learn in the Vidyalaya. Then after, there are different kind of PQR and XYZ triangle are there, and we have to learn that RP is equal to ZX. So RP is equal to ZX and RQ is equal to ZY, and angle PRQ is equal to angle XZY. Then after, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. So here there are two right angles are there, and for the right angle we have to also prove about that. Okay, then next, in the question number 2, there are three conditions SSS, SAS and ASA. These three criterion we have to learn. S means there are if the corresponding sides of two triangle and every three sides are same with corresponding sides of another triangle, then it will be satisfied the condition of congruence of triangle. Then after, side angle side means The another criterion is side angle side. By using this phenomena, we can also approve that the triangles are corresponding are congruence. Then after angle side angle, this is the ASA criterion. So by using that, we have to try to approve the two triangle are same or congruent. Okay, so these three conditions we have to apply on the two triangles to making them correspond. So in detail we are learn in the Vidyalaya application. You have to show that the triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. So here there are two triangles are joined on this figure and we have to give the reason for that. In the question number 4, triangle ABC is equal, A is equal to 30, B is equal to 40 and C is equal to 110. Here P is equal to 30, Q is equal to 40 and R is equal to 110. So by using this application or this characteristic, we can solve this kind of examples. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts are marked. We can write RAT. RAT rate is equal to which kind of triangle we can measure. Okay. So there are different application of this. Let's we see any another topic is new or not. So we have to use these characteristics in this application of triangle. For let's we see some examples of 7.1. Give any two real-time examples. There is third example we are already completed. In fourth example, if triangle DEF is congruent to BCA, write the part of triangle BCA correspond to first. E correspond to C. Here you can see that E is the arrow of E is matches with C. Then after EF is matches with CA and F is matches with A and DF is matches with BA. In this way this triangle is congruent. Then after in exercise 2, which congruence criteria do you use to following the given examples? So here AC and BD are same, AB and DE are same and BC and EF are same. So here AC and DF same, then after BC and EF same, so BC EF same, and then after AB and DE same, so we can say that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are same. And then RP is equal to ZX, RQ is equal to ZY, and triangle PRQ is equal to triangle XZY. So here you can say that XYZ and PQR are the same. Let's we see for the rectangle. Here EB is equal to BD and AE is equal to BC. So angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. So in this way ABE are congruent with ACDE. So here C and A are the rectangle, so they are same. Then after side EB and BD are same and EA and DC are same. Okay, so by using this application, then after let's we see about one example, SSS congruent criteria. So what is SSS congruent criteria? AC is equal to DF, AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to EF. This criteria is known as the SSS criteria. Then after SAS, in SAS side angle side, there are two sides and two angles are same. Since it give that the RP is equal to ZX and RQ is equal to ZY and triangle RPRQ is equal to triangle XZY, then triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay, so then after we have to take ASA, that is angle side angle is MLN and is equal to FGH, that is a angle, side angle. So in this way, this by using this three criterion, you can solve any kind of